Hello, this is Bryan McGlynn with MarineMax, Stuart, Florida. Today we're going to take you guys through a beautiful 2016 Boston Whaler 315 Conquest. Very, very well appointed and well maintained. We're powered with twin Mercury 300s with joystick piloting. These have roughly 600 hours and they were just serviced. No bottom paint on this vessel. She's always been lift kept and she's colored with the Abaco blue Boston Whaler paint. We have the windlass anchor, full bow cushion set, which is stowed inside the garage at the moment. Stainless steel rub rail upgrade. We'll take a step here on the starboard side. This boat has completely refit steering to the Generation 2 Mercury joystick piloting. New steering actuators and new steering pumps as of a couple years ago. Boston Whaler is a great spacious cockpit. This boat here is outfitted with the port side pull-out bench seat and the standard aft bench seat. About 12 months ago, we replaced the generator, so we have a brand new Westerbeek generator with low hours. We do have the cockpit table that drops in here. Full isinglass package. All the isinglass is in nice shape with the pull-out sunshade up above. Helm AC as we walk forward. Cockpit refrigeration. All the upholstery is in really nice condition. This boat stays fully covered when not in use. We have an aft mooring cover, which zips along the underside of the hardtop and comes down along the transom. So everything stays protected from the Florida elements. We have twin Garmin 12-inch displays. These were recently replaced about a year ago under warranty. They worked fine, but we had the delamination on the top screen, so these are basically brand new. Joystick piloting, trim tabs, very, very well equipped. As we step into the cabin, we do have AC. All of the interior upholstery was replaced 12 months ago. So everything up here is in great condition. Rod storage along the ceiling. Nice galley with a stovetop, refrigerator, microwave, and then an aft sleeper. Again, this is Bryan McGlynn with MarineMax. This is a 2016 Boston Whaler 315 Conquest. Please feel free to give me a call at 561-635-6811 and we'll be happy to answer any of your questions.